Hello and good morning. A short while ago, I did what I called a tricky little integral, and now I want to do another tricky integral. This time we want to integrate, with respect to x, 1 over b minus x to the power 3 over 2 times x minus a to the power 1 half. And we're going to use the substitution x equals a cos squared y plus b sine squared y. And then differentiating that, we will get dx equals bracket a times 2 cos y times minus sine y, and then differentiating the second term, we get b times 2 sine y cos y, close the bracket, and dy outside. And that simplifies to dx equals b minus a times 2 sine y cos y dy. And the integral will now transform to, and in the numerator, replacing dx, we'll have b minus a times 2 sine y cos y dy. And in the denominator, we will, replacing the x, we will have b minus a cos squared y minus b sine squared y to the power 3 over 2 multiplied by a cos squared y plus b sine squared y minus a to the power 1 half. And that will simplify to 2 times b minus a sine y cos y, and in the denominator we will have the first bracket will be minus a cos squared y to the power 3 over 1 2, and the second bracket will be b minus a sine squared y to the power 1 half. We'll take all the constant bits outside, so we'll have 2 times b minus a over b minus a to the power 3 over 2 times b minus a to the 1 half, and the integral part will be sine y cos y dy over cos cubed y sine y. And then that will simplify to 2 over b minus a integral of sec squared y dy, which will be 2 over b minus a tan y, and that transforms back to, going back to the old variable, 2 times b minus a square root a minus x over x minus b. And for those of you who can't quite grasp the last step, we'll explain that in red paint below. So x equals a cos y plus b sine y. That was our substitution. And then dividing through by cos squared y, we'll get sec squared y equals a plus b tan squared y. And then getting the tan squared y's onto one side, we have x into 1 plus tan squared y equals a plus b tan squared y. And so tan squared y times x minus b is equal to a minus x, and so on and so on. Thanks very much for listening.